Hey guys, it's me, Princess. I'm just going to be showing you guys how to make slime today. So, the ingredients you need is Dawn soap, a little bit of salt, but I will not use all of this, and hand soap too. And I just made some slime, so don't worry, this spoon, and a spoon. I'll wipe it off. Alright, so let's get started. So first you will pour the Dawn soap in, but you want to make sure it gets all over the bowl. I'll show you guys when it's all over the bowl. Okay, it's going to be all over the bowl. Then you're going to stop and swivel it like that. Alright, and I'll top this up because this is not my soap. My soap is downstairs, so I don't feel like going on it. Then you'll get some salt and sprinkle it on there. And the salt, you should just want to let it sit for a while. You might think I'm using all of this, but I'm not. Okay. And it should leave you about that much, and then you wait and do it again. Then you just want to let it sit. So, yeah. I'm going to tell you something about myself while it's sitting. I like making slime. I just learned how to do this today. I've been trying, but I've been making dough instead with a different type of glue. Now that I have almost glue, I know how to make it. And I know how to make it without glue. Which if I would have known that at first, then I could have made it already because I already had the ingredients. Alright, I think it's done. Now you add more. And then you get your Dell soap. Sorry. And then you squirt. It doesn't matter. What does matter, first you do 9 squirts, and then you stir it really good. Okay, and then you do more squirts. And then you stir it again. And it starts to get chunky like this. It looks watery, but it's not. But I have to stir it. Stir that so good. Excuse me. Excuse me. And then you want it to get kind of like chunky like that. Just like that, and drop it. Oh, I don't want it spilling. Here's some slime that I had already made. Just letting that sit there. And I always hit the slime up to see if it's done. It's not done because it should not leave any stains on my hand. So, salt plus this makes slime. This plus this makes slime. This plus this makes slime. Here's the doughy slime that I was talking about. Oh, and then I'm going to make another video on how to dye slime. Even though some people might already know how to do that. Okay, just going to stir this because I can put some more in there. I'm trying to fill the cup up. Okay. It's the same color because I use the same colors and the same ingredients. So, and then if you want to, you can add more sauce. And then just stir it. But make sure when you stir it, if you don't know how to stir really good, even though some people do, make sure you get your mom or your dad to stir it for you, because you need a really good stir, because sometimes it doesn't come out right. I didn't waste my money on this one. Do not get any Jot glue. Jot glue is not good. Jot glue. So I can trash this, but I'm not going to do that because that's, well, I can. It's $1, but I'm not going to waste any money. But hope you liked my video. Please comment below if you would like me to do more. And I'm going to fill this cup up. I'm going to make a lot this time. So please come to my next video, like all my dance videos and my slime videos, and I'll be making more things if you comment and ask me. I do food challenges, nasty challenges, hot challenges, pepper challenges, all challenges. So comment below. Thank you.